thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be talking about five ways or a few ways on how you can look expensive on a vacation. And these tips are helpful whether you're planning a tropical getaway, a cruise, a beach outing, or a European vacation, which I am planning to go on. So, we'll talk about five super interesting ways, very doable, very achievable ways of looking expensive on a vacation. And before we go any further, I'm going to activate a poll which says, are you planning to go on a vacation this summer 2024? So tell me yes or no if you guys are planning to go on a vacation. And before we go any further, where are you guys watching me from? Are you watching me from Dubai? Are you watching me from LA, from San Francisco, from New York? If you're watching me live, say live in the city, state, or country in the comments below. Or if you're watching me on replay, I love my replay viewers. Just say replay and the place you're watching me from. And if you are planning to go on a vacation, then say yes, I'm going to a vacation to this spot. I love to see those nice vacation spots pop in my feed. It's summer, it's time to go out, so it's just going to be so much fun to see that. And hey, if we haven't met before, hi, my name is Sandhya Garg. You may or may not remember me from Project Runway season 13, your favorite Tim Gunn and Heidi Klum fashion reality show, which is, they're just done with the 20th season. I don't know if it's coming back, but I was on season 13. We had the Rainway Challenge. And if you're curious on how far I made on the show or how did I do, go watch season 13. I promise you, you'll be really happy watching it. Tell me if you like my work on the season. And 10 years after my show, it was out in 2014, I'm still designing one of a kind, stunning outfits. I make my own fabric, all the print is my own. So everything is super exclusive and high quality. If you love textile, color, travel, folklore, fashion, then just follow my page on Facebook labeled Sandhya Garg right here or right there, wherever Facebook is gonna put it. And you can check my work on www.sandhyagarg, sandhyagarg.com, or you can follow me on Instagram at sandhyagarg11. I bring you a lot of fun stuff too. I have a great sense of humor as well. So come for fashion, stay for the jokes. So okay, let me talk about the five tips about how you can look expensive on vacation. And I'll start with my number one tip. And it may seem like it's such an obvious tip, but a lot of us don't do it. Pack and plan your outfits. Yes, plan your outfits. If I'm going for a 5 day vacation, the last thing I want to do is think every morning, what am I going to wear today? You don't want to do that. You don't want to even waste 5 minutes of your precious vacation time stressing yourself thinking what should I wear. So I would say plan your outfits. Day one, I'm going to do this, in the morning, and then if it's dinner, I'm going to put this dress on, and day two, I'm going to wear this. Day three, or even if you don't want to plan it day wise, just do, okay, I'm going on a beach vacation, it's for 5 days, I need 3 swimsuits, I need 6 outfits, I need whatever, 4 dinner dresses. So plan your outfits. And once you plan them, you put it in front of you, you know what you're going to be wearing. You won't be stressed out on a vacation that, oh my God, what should I wear? Iron them nicely. Tip number two, wrinkles make you look unkempt, they make you look cheap. So we don't want any wrinkled, not nice clothing. So my second tip would be to, after you've planned your outfits, pack your outfits properly. So I learned this tip from a very, very dear friend of mine, and I was amazed in this. I learned this probably 15 years ago, and it's been with me ever since. Fold your clothes after ironing them, and then neatly make them into, roll them into these little neat packets. And trust me, when you do this, A, you can pack your suitcase super efficiently, and B, your outfits don't wrinkle. It's tried and tested. I'm a frequent traveler, I take long, long flights, and when I pack my outfits like this, they don't wrinkle. So no ironing twice, no steaming. Your outfits can look gorgeous. They can look the same that the way you've packed them. So do that, pack them beautifully. And packing cubes, if no one ever told you about packing cubes, invest in good packing cubes, and put your like outfits in one packing cube and go progressively. I remember once we had this 10-day Italy trip, and I got those vacuum bags from Ziploc that you just kind of squeeze, and it takes the air off. And I packed 3 days worth of outfits in each of them, and it saved me so much time and space. I spent no time thinking, what am I going to wear today, or do I need to iron my clothes? Nothing of that. It was easy and super breezy. Let me give you tip number 3. And while I do that, let me just feature the link to the top I am wearing. Just so tip number 3 is accessories. Accessories can really, really elevate any outfit. An accessory is really powerful. Like if you're going for a beach vacation, hello, a hat. Indiana Jones vibes right here. A hat, no, even to Europe, even if you're planning to go to Europe during summer, the sun is harsh. Nobody wants sun damage. So put a nice hat on, and a nice hat instantly elevates your look, makes you look more interesting. And if you're working around a color palette, let's talk about color palettes too. You can always match your hat to that, and then get beautiful jewelry. And pro tip for jewelry is match your metal color. So if you're doing warmer tones in your clothes, do gold jewelry, and do all of it in gold. So you have all your rings in gold, necklaces are in gold metal, earrings are in gold metal. So you're not mismatching your metals and taking your posh cushion down. Let's keep it posh, ladies. Let's keep it, let's make it look elevated and expensive. If it's all silver, make everything silver. Your earrings are silver, your neck piece is silver or rose gold. Match your metals. Minimalist jewelry that goes with everything is the best way to go. So you can, you don't have to carry a lot. I get those little tiny hard jewelry boxes that kind of help not break your jewelry. It keeps your jewelry safe. So I carry that, and everything stays in place. I love organizing those tiny things and then just throw it in your bag. It's as simple as that. And then let's not forget shoes. So when on a vacation, I mean, for me, you have to walk so much, and I do have 2 kids. And then you might have to carry your kids, or just you have so much stuff, you want comfort. But you also do not want to be wearing tacky, lacy running shoes. You know, you can find a midway between a nice, comfortable shoe, or if it's slip on footwear that I'm wearing right now, that's why I'm looking down. Make sure it's comfortable yet stylish. And when you dress up for dinner, please wear nice sandals. Carry a pair of black or nude heels so that you look absolutely, absolutely amazing. Do not do lace up shoes or flip flops. Just one pair of nude or black heels or sandals is all you need, that you could do all 5 nights for your vacation. So that's tip number 3, accessorizing. Even a nice pair of expensive sunglasses can really elevate your look. So do that. Carry a nice bag, just one thing that makes you feel confident about yourself and elevates your look and goes with everything that you're wearing. And I was talking about color palettes, so you can also, kind of 5 days of vacation or 10 days of vacation, plan your wardrobe around one color palette. So if you're doing pastels, if you're doing pinks or blues or yellows and oranges, make sure it's kind of cohesive so you can mix and match if you want to do stuff like that. But if you want to plan all your outfits in advance, then you probably don't need to, be so selective about the color palette. And tip number 4, and my favorite, wear good quality fabric. And when in doubt, just go for natural fabrics like cotton, linen, or silk, because they always look super chic and expensive. I'm wearing a pure 100% cotton top with a little bit of linen touch. It looks and feels so luxurious, like synthetic fabrics always mostly look cheap until unless they're high quality fabrics. So you want to make sure the clothing you pack is breathable, is maybe natural, looks high quality, because nobody likes a tacky polyester top. It does take your look down. So you want a high quality fabric that looks beautiful. Like right here I have a cotton linen dress, super matte, super cute, always looks very elevated. Again, this dress is cotton linen, and look at this, so beautiful. When you do fabrics, do high quality fabrics. And if you want to see these in detail, I'm gonna feature a link where you can see all these pieces in detail and how a good quality fabric photographs. Now, what was my fourth point? I'm gonna, yeah, so, and last but not the least, one way to elevate your look and finish your look beautifully is makeup. I have taken my look from 0 to 100 with just a lipstick. Whatever lip colors you like that go well with your skin tone, just pack that. Just pack a nice, beautiful lipstick. Put your lipstick on. You don't even have to carry a blush. Just take your lipstick, dab it on your cheeks, a little bit of cheek stain, and you're good to go. You really elevate your look, start looking expensive as soon as you put on that lipstick and put on that cheek stain. It's as simple as that. You don't even have to go in, do a lot. Just a lipstick does it for you. So don't forget these very easy, very amazing 5 tips, and they'll make you look super chic, super posh, and expensive at your next vacation. Try these tips. Let me know, where are you guys going on a vacation, whether you are or not, and if you followed off any of my tips, and how did this make you feel. Let me know. And if you want me to do more of these videos or any other videos, put it in comments below. I love to see your comments. If you have a friend who loves Project Runway, share this video with them. Say your friend's name down there in the comments, and Facebook is going to show this video to them. I do read all your comments, and hey, if you want a custom outfit from me, don't forget to go to my website www.sandhyagarg.com and put your name, enter the free dress giveaway. There is a little triangle in the bottom of the website on the phone or on your desktop. You can just click that, put your email, and you'll be entered to win a free dress and a surprise gift card from me. So do that, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to be sharing so much more fun things with you. I have a Paris vacation planned, so I'm going to do some outfits for Paris. And of course, I've just launched my new collection, Fez Fantasy, inspired from my vacation in Morocco. And if you love fashion, keep dressing up. Come dress up with me. I just love seeing you guys around here. Thank you for joining me. Mwah. Bye. See you next Friday.